welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining me again. Today I just wanted to show you the carbon fiber guards that I've made for the Hilux, or the flares. I've made three actually. The first one that I made is the one that I'll show you, and the second one I'll show you that as well. I'll just go through and from the whole process of probably designing it to making the mold, laying up the carbon into the mold and vacuum bagging it, and then installing it onto the Hilux as well. So yeah, check it out. Cool. So at the moment, it's finished to a state that we're gonna do one final pass on, because this is, it's pretty fine here. It'll take a little bit of sanding to come up really nice, but we'll do one more pass. There's a few rough edges down in here, down in there, but we'll sort it out. So we'll do that tomorrow and see what happens. Again, get it all nice and polished. I'm pretty stoked with it. Feels so smooth. Yeah, I'm really happy with that. So it should come up pretty good. Yeah, we just need to polish it and then wax it up, and it's ready to go. Leave it there to dry. So you need some special scissors to cut carbon properly. Alright, so what we've got here is this stuff here is what seals the bag up. So we've got some high temperature Carnauba mold release wax, and then also there's the corrugation, the layer of good carbon, all the little washers that are just made up, and 4 layers of the not so fancy stuff. So all I have to do now is just wipe on the Carnauba onto this mold, and that's done, and then we're ready to go. And then you just do like little circular motions over the whole thing now. So it's got the fitting on there. The sealant is in. So this isn't, we're not finished quite yet. I've just got to mix up some stuff and lay down the carbon. And then once the carbon's on, then I'll pull the bag over and get the vacuum on it, seal it up. But then I've got to pinch these so that it can go into there. And then I've also got a little stack of these that I have to put on so that it can suck all the air in there out. So I've got a little vacuum pump going, and it's sucking out all the air out of this. So I'm just trying to squish the carbon in as good as I can. Cool, so we've left this overnight. It's hardened off pretty good. So this layer here is called the peel ply. So what happens is that there's little holes that sucks through the excess resin, and then it gets absorbed into this stuff here, which is like a woolen cotton sort of layer, and that sucks up any excess stuff. So that's all this stuff here. And then the fitting, this here is what sucks all the excess out, and that goes into the vacuum pump, but you want to try and pack that up with as many layers as you can. So I can just start peeling this off, because it won't stick to it. how we've got to this one. So this is the layer of ply that the resin doesn't stick to, but it leaves like a nice surface for that to stick to. So you can peel this off. And if ever you want to add on to that, that's what it'll stick to. and the driver's side's done. Just did those. And different angle. So I'll do those shark fin gills over there in a few weeks. Let me know what you think in the comments. Give me a like. Tell me if they're any good, if they look any good, and I could potentially be selling some if anyone wants them. But yeah, this is probably the first iteration. I'm gonna refine this design and make it better, and yeah, there might be some different versions. So anyways, check it out, and I'll get some more content on the channel. Cheers.